Tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Make $300 a day chilling at home. Alright, let's be real. Nobody likes waking up to an alarm clock and battling traffic to sit in a boring office all day. You deserve better than that. You deserve to be your own boss, set your own hours, and make serious cash while you're at it. Sound impossible? Think again, because Remotasks is here to change the game. We're talking about the potential to make $300 a day, all from the comfort of your couch. Yep, you heard that right. So put down that stale coffee, forget about that soul-crushing commute, and let's dive into the world of Remotasks. This isn't about some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about taking control of your life and your income. With Remotasks, you choose when you work, how much you work, and how much money you make. Whether you're a student looking for extra cash, a stay-at-home parent needing a flexible income, or just someone who's tired of the rat race, Remotasks has something for you. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to unlock your earning potential with this revolutionary platform. Okay, so you're probably thinking, Remotasks? Sounds like some made-up word. Well, it's real and it's about to become your new best friend. Basically, Remotasks is a website and app that connects you with companies that need help with tasks that are, you guessed it, remote. These companies are big on artificial intelligence and they need your human brainpower to help train their systems. Think of it like this. You're the teacher and the AI is your student. You're showing it how to see, understand, and interact with the world through images, videos, and other data. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to do this. Remotasks provides all the training and instructions you need to succeed. Plus, there's a whole community of users ready to help you out if you get stuck. Alright, enough talk, let's get down to business. Getting started with Remotasks is easier than making a bowl of cereal. First things first, head over to their website and create an account. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, you'll need to complete a short onboarding process. This is just to get you familiar with the platform and the types of tasks you can expect. Don't worry, they don't ask for your blood type or anything, just basic info and maybe a quick skills assessment. Once you're all set up, you can start browsing through the available tasks and choose the ones that tickle your fancy. You can work whenever you want, for as long as you want. No more rigid schedules or overbearing bosses. Section 4, tasks, tasks, tasks. They got them all. Now for the fun part, what kind of tasks are we talking about here? Well, Remotasks offers a wide variety of tasks, so you're bound to find something that suits your skills and interests. Some popular tasks include image annotation, where you label objects in images like cars, trees, or people. Then there's video annotation, where you track objects or actions in videos like a car making a turn or a person walking down the street. They also have tasks related to data collection, transcription, and even LiDAR annotation, which involves working with three-dimensional point clouds. It sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than it seems. Plus, the more tasks you complete, the more skilled you become, and the more earning potential you unlock. So put on your learning cap, grab your favorite beverage, and start tackling those tasks like the boss you are. Section 5, level up your earnings like a boss. Okay, so you're up and running with Remotasks, but you're ready to kick things into high gear and really start raking in the dough. Well, my friend, you've come to the right place. Here are a few insider tips to help you maximize your earnings and become a Remotasks superstar. First things first, speed and accuracy are key. The faster and more accurately you complete tasks, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. Second, pay attention to the bonuses. Remotasks often offers bonuses for completing a certain number of tasks or achieving a certain accuracy rate. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your earnings. And finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're ever stuck on a task or have a question, reach out to the Remotasks community or support team. They're there to help you succeed. Section 6, time to ditch your boss and live the dream. So, there you have it, folks. Remotasks, your ticket to financial freedom and a life of flexibility. No more commuting, no more office drama, just you, your laptop, and the sweet sound of money hitting your account. Whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or completely replace your 9 to 5, Remotasks has the potential to change your life. All it takes is a little effort, a willingness to learn, and the courage to take control of your own destiny. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Remotasks today and start living the dream. Trust me, your bank account and your sanity will thank you.